I just had to let you know you're
So, good day everyone. I am Jan Jonas A. Piemonte from BSIT1D. Today, I will be discussing you the student course registration system using classes, objects, constructors, and scanner. So, student registration is a software application used to organize and manage student information in schools or universities. It helps store important data such as student details, course information, and enrollment records in a structured way. By using system like this, schools can make the registration process faster, more organized, and easier to manage. In this project, I created a simple student registration system using Java. The program allows the user to input and course information and displays the registration details. This project demonstrates basic object-oriented programming or the OOP concepts such as classes, objects, constructors, and methods. The first project is divided into three parts. The first part focuses on student class, which is used to store and display information about students, such as their name, student ID, and program. The program asks the user to input the information and then displays the student details using a method designed to print the data. The second part introduces the course class, which stores course-related information, including the course code, course title, and number of units. Similar to the student class, the program allows the user to input course details, then displays them using a method that prints the course information. The third part combines both student and course classes to create a simple student registration system. In this part, the program collects both student and course information and then shows the complete registration details. It displays the student information, the course information, and a message indicating that the student is enrolled. The selected course is demonstrate how multiple classes can work together to form a functional system. This project demonstrates how Java can be used to develop a simple student registration system. The program allows users to input student and course information and display the registration details in an organized format. Through this project, we applied important oriented programming concepts including classes, objects, constructors, and methods. Although the program is simple, it shows how programming can help manage student and course data more efficient and provide a basic idea of how pre-registration systems work in educational institutions. And that's all for my video presentation, guys. I hope you learned something from me and see you around. Bye!